What are the 3 stages in your financial life? The first stage is preparing for life's uncertainties. The second stage is managing your net worth. And the third stage is managing retirement and your estate. The base of the pyramid is preparing for life's uncertainties. Insurance is the most cost-effective way to deal with this. Insurance can include life and health insurance, disability insurance, long-term care insurance, home and auto insurance, and insurance against other perils. Adequate liquidity in your investments or in cash to cover emergencies, along with a will, is important. The next level involves managing your money. Investment strategies should include diversification and risk management. The best option is to review your goals with a professional. And the top tier addresses retirement and estate planning. The ultimate goal is to ensure that you have income and assets for as long as you live. Your investments should be in line with your specific situation, goals, and risk tolerance. An estate planning professional can provide you with documents necessary to ensure a planned distribution to beneficiaries. The 3 stages sound simple, yet few people adequately prepare for any of them. We can work with your tax and legal professionals to develop a plan to help you reach your financial goals. So please, give us a call today.